Alright, hello everybody, my name is Juan, I'm the founder of DiscoveryTalks, and I'm really glad to have you here and show you how it works. So DiscoveryTalks is a platform where you can transcribe audio from speech to text, and you're also going to be able to analyze the text within our same platform. It's very useful when you want to compare different conversations you've had or different interviews, and be able to say, after talking with all these different people, this is what we found out. And the output of our platform, at the end, you're going to be able to generate a report automatically. And I'm just going to show you the different steps to get there. So first, you transcribe audio from speech to text. You can choose a file that you already have, for example, a voice recording you made with your phone or any other device that you have on your computer. You can upload it to the platform, and we can transcribe that for you in many different languages and different accents as well, like Australian English or British English. And once it's transcribed from speech to text, you will have something like this. You will have all the text and the audio, which is linked together. When you click on a timeline, it will take you to that moment in time and you can hear what is being said. You can also edit a text, and you're also going to be able to edit the name of the speakers that you see here on the left. You're going to be able to also click at any moment in the timestamps beneath the names, and it will take you to that moment and you can hear it again. And you're going to be able to, most importantly, highlight the most important information. This is how you're going to be starting to analyze the information or the text that you have transcribed. Here, when you see something interesting or important, you highlight it and you say, for example, this is interesting. When you see something like a key quote, you highlight it and you say this is a key quote. And whenever you find something which is linked to a specific theme, you highlight it and you create a tag or a code, like it's the academic name, but it's basically a theme. You say, for example, this is a pain point, and you can create as many themes as you want. Now, the idea is to be able to read the transcript, highlight the most important parts, and separate that important information from all the rest of the raw transcript, which not all of it might be interesting. So when you click on the selected data view, you'll be able to see everything that was highlighted by you in the raw transcript. And this is the most important information. This is the information you're going to be working with when you're going to be comparing your information, like this text or like this conversations with other conversations. You will be only comparing the selected information. This is like a mini synthesis of the most important things that were said in regards to this conversation, which you can download in PDF or docx. And the raw transcript, you also download the whole transcript in Google Docs format, and also even in Excel format if you want to really go into deep research. And you can download all the source files like the audio, but the idea is to do like the analysis for each individual interview, and then you're going to be able to compare these interviews. And this will be done in the comparison of interviews. So here you're going to be able to see on the left a set of filters, which will allow you to have a better view of data you're going to be analyzing. So for example, you want to see only the pain points of everyone that you interviewed. When you click on the filter pain point, you're going to see only that information. And you can also filter by different kind of tags. For example, you want to see only the answers of the developers or only the answers of the UX designers. And you're going to be also be able to have a typology, which you can assign it to be whatever it is that you like. For example, imagine you want to see the different answers by what was said by the baby boomers or the millennials or people who were from Europe or people who were from South America. You're going to be able to do that with the extra information you give to each name of the person that you interviewed. You can also filter information through a keyword. For example, dogs. When you type in dogs, you will see everything that was said in regards to that specific word, and that way you're going to be able to have a synthetic view of the information side by side and have a deeper understanding of it. And whenever you see a common pattern between the different information that you have selected, for example, here you're going to be able to see that everyone likes dogs in the workplace, or like there's, for example, a new idea that comes to your mind after reading all this different information. You can create an insight. Whenever you have like this insight, you give it a description, you give it a name or a title, and this, when you create it, you will find it in the report. And here in the report, you'll find all the insights that you've created, everyone that you interviewed with the information that you've provided, for example, where they work, what is it that they do, the level of expertise they have in the subject, because some people might find that relevant, and also all the things that you highlighted, which are important. So this report you can download in PDF format in docx, which you can open in Google Docs or Microsoft Word, and soon we'll be able to have in PowerPoint format as well for presentations. The idea is also to be able to do interviews live through our same platform. So we made an app which you can use to transcribe conversations you're having directly with people face to face. So with the app, you hit record while you choose the language, and you can sit down with a person, look them in the eye, and have a normal conversation. And with a tap of a button, you'll be able to mark the most important moment. You can have a single press or a long press, and when you have a long press, it will remind you that there is a moment where a lot of important information was said. So when it's transcribed from speech to text, it will look something like this. And you'll have the markers on the left. You will have it also in the timeline, and when you click on them, it will take you to that moment in time. And that is a real time saver because it allows you to really go to the most important parts of the interviews that you made. And what we are doing here is a productivity tool which will allow you to do your job better and faster. The task of analyzing conversations which are important, and share it with the people that you want. Let it be with your boss, with your clients, with your team, and make better informed decisions. So thank you very much. Hope you find this interesting. If you have any questions, if you have any feedback, we love feedback. So hope hearing from you soon, and have a great day. Thank you.